Hello. So I've got a Tyro 69 flight controller here. It's faulty. I've got a feeling the voltage regulator is at fault. It's not connecting to Betaflight or anything at all. It's not connecting via the USB or anything. And I've done a little bit of testing with it, done a bit of voltage checking and stuff. I've tried to identify the components using the serial numbers, but they must be in-house part numbers. So, well, it's hit and miss. It's hit and miss. So I've got another voltage regulator here. Hard to see, I know. I've got another voltage regulator here. There we go. And I'm going to change it out. So my day job is electronic servicing. I'm a service mount technician. I do I work on this stuff every day, really. And at home here, I've got a bit of an electronics lab setup. I've got some oscilloscopes and spectrum analyzers and frequency counters and all that sort of stuff here as well. So yeah, I'm just going to basically show you how I, because there's lots of other different ways to remove service mount components, but I'll show you how I remove a service mount component. Let's see if we can zoom in on there. So I'll be removing this IC here, this one. So let me just pop it in here. I'm probably going to have to use some Captain tape, because I'll be using a hot air rework tool, or a hot air blower as they're normally called. I've got a set of helping hands. This is Captain tape. It's basically sellotape. It is basically sellotape, heat-proof sellotape, if you want to call it that. And there's a couple of components on the board which I don't want to get dislodged off the board because of the pressure of the hot air gun. So put a bit of Captain tape on there to hold the components down. Also got a ESD strap on as well, just in case. Yeah, that's a LiPo battery charged. Let me just stop the charge a minute and put another one on charge. These are LiPos for my Cine, well, not Cine, but micro quad I built. Just put on charge. Okay. So yeah, a bit of Captain tape just to stop components from getting dislodged. So now we're sort of ready to, if I can move the camera here and get it in shot. So this is the replacement IC. It's going to be awkward because I don't think I can get it all in shot here. Let's have a look. So that's the replacement. So this is the IC in question to come off. So we'll turn on the hot air blower. Okay, so this is the, let me just put the awkward one-handed, let me just put that back up on the, okay, so this is the, I don't know if you can see it there, but this is the regulator I've taken off. There we go. So put that to one side, and this is the regulator we need. So this is one I've just taken off. Put that to one side, and this is the one we're going to be putting back on in place. So the replacement regulator should go there. So we need some flux. Flux is the key to all this. And I use a normal flux pen. So let me see if I can zoom out a bit. We want some flux. There should be enough solder already on the pads to reflow. I've got the okay, so that one's in place. We'll check it now under the microscope and see if it's okay. Okay, it's not looking too bad. I think it could be better. Placement could be a bit better. Let's do it again. Let's warm it up a little bit more. Put the tweezers down and I can't find them. There we go. Check it again. It's not bad. I still think we need a little bit of solder on the on two of the legs. So we'll turn the soldering iron on. Turn the soldering iron on, and I'll resolder two of those legs on there. So I use a very old Weller TCP. I think we'll do these back ones as well. Have the irons on. Okay, let's have a look then. So we should be able to focus in on there now. So you can see the part we've changed. It's this one here. So I'll just put a bit of I'll just clean it up a little bit with some flux remover, and then I can go and try it. A bit of flux remover, that is. So there we go. This is the IC we just changed. So yeah, that's all it is. There's not a lot to replacing an IC or any other components. Obviously this IC here, this is the OSD chip. This is what generates the display in your goggles. These are a bit more awkward to do, but basically just change the nozzle on the hot air gun and put a slightly bigger nozzle on there to get a slightly wider flow of air, so you don't have to keep moving it around so much. But otherwise, the principle's the same. So let's go and try it.